for being inside.
Howdy, Tom.
Butthead Bunny, are you okay?
No.
Hey, man. What's wrong?
I feel like I'm gonna die.
What do you mean?
Like, deactivate. You know, I'm just gonna pass out. I feel so... I just want to bully someone right now.
You can bully me if you want.
Okay, nerd. So jerk. You're a loser. Look at you. Your nerdy face. Where's your nose? Huh? Where's your evil... Like, what are you supposed to be? What, some kind of anime boy? Anime? Go back to your animation. I'm gonna go back to... Oh no, Foxy's dead.
Are you for real? I saw him leave the pizzeria this morning.
I'll go get the shovel.
Dude, come on. Do you really need to come with the solution that some of our friends are dead?
Okay, first of all, Chica haven't been here in a while. Second, Foxy. Even his room's not even decorated yet.
I'm lazy. Here. How about we decorate for him?
No. He can do it himself. He's a lazy crab. Come on, I have a good idea for us anyway.
Like here. No, looks. What is it?
How about you know, since we're in quarantine, we could probably, you know, go camping instead and just ignore the fact that we're in quarantine. So yeah, let's go camping. So no stress for fun. Or we could just do it.
What? That's a good idea. I wanted to get out of this place for a little bit.
Yeah, do you want... Oh, I was gonna say you want to do the campfire inside or outside? Like, what's better for you?
Outside.
Okay, so do it outside. Come on, go get the campfire and stuff. And go get the marshmallows and sticks and logs, and I'll be outside waiting for you. Oh my gosh, just can't wait for this worst campfire thing. Even though Foxy's probably dead, it's fine. I could just deal with it. Chica's probably dead already. Cause look at her. She hasn't been on the roof. She hasn't been anywhere for 4 days. She's probably dead. Or either that, or she got hit by a truck that was trying to go over here and drop off Foxy or whatever. I don't know. New parts for animatronic. Or what if that's Chica's head in the parts and service? Hello, Tom. Oh. Tom, why are you going to Chica's, why are you going to Chica's thing? Why were you doing that?
I don't know. I thought we were gonna head up there.
You want to do it up there? Okay, let's do it.
Sure.
Alright. Ow! Let's do it right here. Right in this spot. This is perfect.
Unfortunately, Fox stole my stuff.
Why does Foxy hate you so much?
Okay. Right now.
I kind of feel bad.
I have no idea.
Oh, hurry up, Tom! Ow! Oh! Ow! Ow! Stop jumping roll! Stop jumping roll! Stop jumping roll! Oh! Ow! 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 No! Okay, I'm safe. I'm safe. Ow! 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 Stop, drop, and roll! Stop, drop, and roll! Stop, drop, and roll!
Stay still. Stay still. Stay still.
I am. What's your point in that fire, dumb boy? Could have killed me, like Chica.
Why did you get so close?
Well, we didn't think we were gonna put that. That's better. God, you just put it out of nowhere.
I was trying to give him.
I'm just trying to punch you
Water.
right now. Okay. Hands over the fire. Okay. This is a good camping thing, you know? This is kind of good. kind of relaxing. The stars of the sky. It's kind of good.
Yeah.
Why'd you put fire next to water? Are you serious? Ugh.
Sorry.
We need a new security guard around here. Really, Tom? Really, Tom? Come on, man.
Get the water.
I guess that water is useful, I guess.
Okay.
Hey, is there any marshmallows around here? I really want some marshmallows, me boy.
Foxy stole them.
Tom, you just... Tom, really? You just broke this. Tom? Tom? Tom?
Yeah.
Why'd you break this? Tom? I'm really mad at you, sir. I'm mad at you. You broke this. Bad, Tom. Bad.
I'm mad at myself.
Why are you mad at yourself? Why are you mad at yourself? You didn't even do anything. Tom? Tom, wait. Oh! Ow. Tom.
You okay?
Yeah, Tom. Why does your emotions match with your face?
I just need
Tom, we're supposed to go camping. Oh,
I
gosh.
ruined it.
How did you... Okay, I'll talk to you when I go back inside. Get rid of this fire. And how much to get rid of this water? Ugh. Okay, I guess you did ruin it a little bit, but it's fine. Get rid of this. And then let me just put some water in.
Just need to sleep.
What the... How did this not even... Okay, try again. It's fine. Try it. Okay, that didn't work either. Okay. If that is not going to work, then what's going to work about this? Bang. What? I'm so confused. There you go. Problem solved. Okay, let me go talk to that crybaby. Tom, are you in your room? He's probably, yeah, I hear him snoring from here. Almost there. Oh. Hey, wake up!
Whoa, What?
Let me guess, you're crying yourself to sleep. Don't worry, I do that every night. What are you sad about?
I ruined our camp for tonight. I placed the water in the wrong place, even though I was trying to save you. I
It's...
put the fire
Tom,
in the place. I
Tom.
destroyed one of the blocks.
Tom. It's fine. I took out the water. Okay, I got rid of the fire. And the block can probably be replaced from a handyman. I don't know. We had to order more parts for that. But it's fine. I think I was overreacting about the block, but the water's fine.
Okay.
Alright, can you please go back to camping?
Okay.
Thank you. Now go get a campfire go get a campfire from your magic pockets or whatever. I'll be ready.
Okay.
Oh god. Tom?
Yeah?
What are you talking? Huh? Were you talking to yourself?
No, I was singing.
Oh, cool. What were you singing?
Just a little song I was gonna sing. Well, I was saying.
Huh. Weird. Oh, okay. Stupid chica, stupid Foxy.
Let's take things for the time. Be rude.
What? Weren't you just mad at Foxy earlier from stealing your stuff?
Yeah, it's true. Still bad. He has to get over it sooner or later.
I mean, didn't Foxy say he's okay with being your friend?
And we play hide and seek tag. You just start being red screen again.
Okay, this is a good thing. We could literally sit here. Hey, do you have any logs on you that you could like place down logs we could sit on and like talk?
I think I might.
Yeah, try getting that. We could just do that. Oxley.
These are the only ones I can make.
Those are good, I guess. All right, so on the way. Let's sit down and talk.
All right.
Just gonna crouch, I guess. So, about Foxy stealing your marshmallows and stuff. What else is bothering you about Foxy?
I don't know. Like, I just been trying to treat him nice for a few days now, and he would be nice to me. I don't know why.
Have you ever tried? I don't know. You know what we do? We just, give ourselves. Oh wait, you said you give him second chances as well, right?
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, you tried everything to be his friend. Maybe, I guess we could all have movie night one day, and I'll maybe get his mind off of him, or maybe we could just reset him, and he could be a new Foxy or something like that. But honestly, I just think he needs to get fixed, because he's really broken. Have you seen the tears in the suit? He can't even open doors.
Yeah, he has a hook right here. I mean, you could just easily just open the door with your hook.
Well, Foxy's sometimes stupid, so. And Chica is probably dead, so we have to get a new Chica, I guess. Or maybe. Wait, Tom.
No, I saw her on the surveillance footage.
When?
A few days ago. I saw her leaving, and she said straight to the camera, "Hey, Tom, guess what? I quit."
Really? So I was gonna say that that Chica head on the stand from the Parks and Service. I was gonna say, what if that's her? But then when you said that, so she quit?
Yeah, while you were in your room, or
She didn't say goodbye to me. So wait,
maybe
you're saying
you were asleep.
she left the pizzeria for good? Or maybe she...
Pretty much, yeah.
Son of a gun.
Yeah. So we gotta find say we're gonna find someone else to replace her then.
Maybe we could try... I don't know. I honestly don't know.
Well, we've been close for quite a while.
I guess that's true.
We haven't been open since Freddy's poison incident. So we get up
Son of a gun is real.
for a few days.
Freddy's probably still at the robotic shop getting himself fixed.
Yeah.
Either that,
Case.
or I don't know. Sam, because since the order didn't work, I just sent him to a robotic shop to get fixed. So hopefully they're doing their actual job of getting Freddy fixed. If not, then I'm gonna kill him.
Yeah.
This is kind of,
Hopefully they get it fixed. Because we need him.
yeah. Now all we have is this Foxy. It's good, right? I mean,
You.
maybe one day Golden Freddy will wake up from that spooky room. Maybe we'll have 4 people. Who knows?
Yeah.
Or maybe some weird animatronic's gonna walk in any second. Or maybe we could just order a new Chica, or we could just find Chica wherever she went. We could just find her. I don't know. It's up to you.
Well, hey, I need to ask you about something.
Yes.
I was watching the news a few days ago before my house exploded, and it said some bald guy with a ruler broke into the pizzeria. Do you know anything about it?
Don't get me started on that idiot. He's such an idiot. That guy's on the news? Yeah, when he went to... Before your home got exploded, when you went home, some disgusting bald dude walked in the pizzeria, tried to tell me some math lessons, and then I guess I kicked him out. He ran away. It's probably, I don't know, somewhere else doing school math and stuff. I don't know, probably teaching a class. Honestly, he could be anywhere, like Chica. He can honestly be anywhere, being stupid. Maybe he's bothering someone else.
I saw the footage. I also saw the footage on the security cameras. And he's so dumb. Like when you pass him that soda, he just started moving away.
I mean, he is stupid.
He said, "Am I the dumbest teacher or what? I'm not in my own game."
Oh, wait, what? Game?
Yeah. He said he was not in his own game.
Huh.
I did some research on that.
Well, since you don't have marshmallows, this is kind of boring, to be honest. I mean, I thought, ow, 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 ow. This always happens. Just get the water, get the water, get the water. I don't care anymore. Just get. Oh. Well, this campfire was actually pretty interesting, but there's no marshmallows because of Foxy. You know.
I'm going to have a word with him when he gets back.
Yeah, when he comes back, I'm just gonna. Something. And what in the world are you doing?
Trying to get rid of the water.
Oh, that's fair. Alright, well, you keep doing that. Oh, by the way, since Chica is gone, do you want to probably, like, take over this spot since she's gone, or?
Might as well.
Yay! We can make, like, oh my gosh. We can make imagine a 2-story pizzeria. Oh my gosh, that would be amazing. This whole thing can be, like, inside a building. And we could make it... Oh my god, that'd be awesome. Or maybe we could just... I mean, it's good the way it is. There's like little music DJ area, a pool, a hot tub, movie theater room. It's like an arcade room. Another one. Perfect.
Yeah. So we got some games for ourselves.
Yeah, look, there's even arcade games in the alleyway or something. Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
I think they're broken.
When Chica gets back, don't tell her I'm taking over her room, okay?
Didn't you say she's not coming back? She said she quit.
That I forgot.
I mean, we could just find her or just get a new Chica. It's that simple.
Well, for some reason in one of the rooms I found this head.
You mean parts and service?
Yeah.
That's the one that goes on the stand.
Stand?
Yeah, the one. Remember the one in the corner?
Wait, that's right. I remember. I disguised myself during the hide and seek tag with Fox.
You forgot to put that away.
Okay.
You forgot to put that away. Oh my gosh. Come on, let's go back. Let's go back in the pizzeria and think about some things.
Okay.
Where's the ladder? Oh, it's over there. What was that? I just heard a weird sound coming out of you. Alright. So what should we do now, Tom? Just wait for Foxy to get back so we can beat him up and bully him?
Yep.
Hey, you wanna go watch funny videos on your computer?
Look. Do it.
Let's go! Yay! Yay! Memes!